Welcome back to Pure Health. Today, we're diving into a vital mineral that's crucial for strong bones and teeth, muscle function, and overall health. That's right, we're talking about calcium. Let's explore some of the best foods high in calcium that you can incorporate into your diet. Glass of milk. First up, we have a classic source of calcium, milk. Just 1 cup of milk can provide around 300 milligrams of calcium, which is about 30% of the recommended daily intake for most adults. But if you're lactose intolerant or vegan, don't worry, we have plenty of alternatives for you. Yogurt. Next, let's talk about yogurt. Not only is yogurt a great source of probiotics for gut health, but it's also rich in calcium. A single serving of plain yogurt can offer around 400 milligrams of calcium. Cheese. Cheese lovers rejoice. Cheese is another fantastic source of calcium. For example, just 1 ounce of cheddar cheese contains about 200 milligrams of calcium. Plus, it's delicious and can be added to a variety of dishes. Leafy greens. Now, let's move on to some plant-based options. Dark leafy greens like kale, spinach, and collard greens are excellent sources of calcium. 1 cup of cooked collard greens provides over 250 milligrams of calcium. So, don't forget to add these greens to your salads and smoothies. Orange juice. Fortified foods are also a great way to boost your calcium intake. Fortified orange juice, for instance, can contain as much calcium as milk, making it a great alternative for those who are lactose intolerant. Almonds. Let's not forget nuts and seeds. Almonds are particularly high in calcium. Just 1 ounce of almonds can provide about 75 milligrams of calcium. They make for a great snack or a crunchy addition to your meals. Sardines. Lastly, seafood like sardines and salmon, especially with bones, are packed with calcium. A can of sardines can provide up to 350 milligrams of calcium. Plus, they are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for heart health. Incorporating these calcium-rich foods into your diet can help you meet your daily needs and support your overall health. Remember, a balanced diet is key to maintaining strong bones and a healthy body. Thanks for watching, and be sure to follow us for more health tips and nutritious recipes. Stay healthy, stay strong.